A week ago, I made a video showing you how you can make your vocal audio stand out above a music track in Premiere Pro using EQ and compression. That video had been online for about 5 minutes before somebody commented saying, "Hey, have you not heard of Alex Audio Butler? Made by a company called Unimule. It'll allow you to do everything that you've shown us in a few simple clicks." That intrigued me. So I reached out to Unimule and I said, "Hey, I've heard about your product. I'd really like to try it out and share my experience with my subscribers. You guys." So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at it, and I've had a little sneak peek and I have to say, it's like magic. I mean, it's really good. It's probably the best money you could ever spend on a VST plugin for Premiere. So let's jump onto the computer and I'll show you how it works. It's really simple and it does a great job. As with the last video, I'm going to use the intro from this very YouTube video to show you exactly how this works. I've already installed the plugin, as you can see just here, Alex Audio Butler status, and it tells you the version number and that it updated its analysis 16 minutes ago. So this VST plugin is powered by artificial intelligence, AI. All you need to do is tell the piece of software whether it's a vocal track you're using, a sound effect, or a piece of music. So once you've installed it, you just need to go to your audio track mixer up here, and then press this little arrow to the left. And then we're going to select a plugin. It's under VST3, Tools, and Unimule. And because the first track in our sequence is going to be my vocal track, I'm going to select Voice Audio Butler. Now, if I double click on that, it brings up this window. And because I'm using just a single microphone, I'm not using a lapel microphone in parts of this video, and I'm not using the inbuilt camera microphone in parts of this video, I'm just going to keep it on constant source. And compression, general, is what I've found does the best job for my voice. Natural's okay, but when you have a backing track underneath your vocal audio, it is a bit quiet, and max, it does a bit too much. So I'm quite happy with general. So what I'm going to do is just play the audio with this turned off, and then I'm going to play the audio with this turned on. A week ago, I made a video showing you how you can make your vocal audio stand out above a music track in Premiere Pro using EQ and compression. Okay, not bad, but a bit quiet. So let's turn this VST on and play the same section again. A week ago, I made a video showing you how you can make your vocal audio stand out above a music track in Premiere Pro using EQ and compression. You know what's depressing? I think this piece of software actually does a better job at compressing my vocals than I do. Amazing. So now we're going to grab our piece of music from our Soundstripe plugin. I'm actually an affiliate with Soundstripe, and you can get 15% off a yearly or monthly subscription using the code in my video description. And they actually offer a free month trial if you use the code FREEMUSIC and the link in the video description. So I'm just going to grab the very first track on here. It doesn't really matter to me which track it is. I just want to see how well it works. So I'm going to drag this track in under my vocal track, and for the time being I'm just going to disable the Alex Audio plugin so you can hear exactly what it sounds like with no post-production. A week ago I made a video showing you how you can make your vocal audio stand out above a music track in Premiere Pro. Not very good. Let's turn on the plugin. A week ago, I made a video showing you how you can make your vocal audio stand out above a music track in Premiere Pro using EQ and compression. Okay, we're definitely getting there, aren't we? So now what we want to do is head back up to our audio track mixer, and we're going to select the same plugin, so VST3, Tools, Unimule, but this time we're going to select Music. So from playing with this before making this YouTube video, I found that my target volume wanted to be around 3. That sounded really good to me. And it actually has auto ducking that works really well, much better than the inbuilt audio ducking within Premiere Pro. So let's play it again now that we've got the Alex Audio Butler enabled on both tracks. I can't wait to show you. A week ago, I made a video showing you how you can make your vocal audio stand out above a music track in Premiere Pro using EQ and compression. That video had been online for about 5 minutes before somebody commented saying, "Hey, have you not heard of Alex Audio Butler? Made by a company called Unimule. It'll allow you to do everything that you've shown us in a few simple clicks." You might hear that audio track going up and down a little bit, but it's actually learning on the fly where it has to change the volume. So if I play it again, it should sound even better. And every time you play it, it's going to learn a little bit more and the sound is going to improve. A week ago, I made a video showing you how you can make your vocal audio stand out above a music track in Premiere Pro using EQ and compression. That video had been online for about 5 minutes before somebody commented saying, "Hey, have you not heard of Alex Audio Butler? Made by a company called Unimule. It'll allow you to do everything that you've shown us in a few simple clicks." I think that sounds bloody brilliant, to be fair. I've been looking for a piece of software that does this for such a long time, and it does exactly what it says it's going to do. You can get it online on their website for 79 euros. It's on offer from 139 euros. I'm not affiliated with them. I just think it's an amazing piece of software, and they were very kind to send me a license so that I could show you guys exactly how good it is. One little piece of advice I would give them is offer a free trial to it, because if people try that out and they see how well it works, they're going to buy it. You should buy it. This Premiere should buy it and have it included within Premiere because it just works so well. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on Alex Audio Butler. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, comment below, tell me whether it was good, tell me whether it was bad. And if you're new here, head over to my new Facebook group. There's a link to that in the video description as well. You can ask me questions, request videos, and just become part of the community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again really soon. I'm going to go and carry on playing with this because this is clever.